Ezekiel Machogu mbaki
mathaa manini thutha wa minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu kuregana na miario yake igiitwa ria thirikari kurugamia uheani wa kigina kuri university cia muingi. Ambunge amwe na wa mung'ethaniro nimokiriire minista amwe thirikari-ini ya president iria makiuga ni maratuhuka miario ya kuhingica muingi hari maundu matahitukitio ni thirikari.
These roadside declarations must end. Government now must bring policy, now must operate through parliament. They must operate through their ministries. They must do things the way government was known to be doing things. The way things Kenya Kwanza is doing now is not the way government operates. Because everyone, like some disgruntled militia, is giving roadside declaration anywhere and anyhow.
How can somebody say that they are even thinking of not funding our universities when the funding that is going to the universities is so menial, is not even enough. Our lecturers cannot do research, and a country is developed through research and innovation.
Kuringana na mbunge ya Azimio yo ni undu ukoretwo ugithie na mbere kuma thirikari ya president William Ruto igire wathanini. Kuri amwe a minista makoretwo magituhuka miario itari mihitukie ni thirikari undu uria ni ugwati munene kuri bururi.
The other day I saw the president donating food to Somalia, and yet our own Kenyans are dying of hunger. That tells you clearly how this government is confused, and I think we don't have a government. What we have is we have a one-man show who is controlling every ministry, who is directing everything, and is doing that through roadside declaration.
Ugiworotetwo ni ambunge atagukorwo na mutugo uyu ni minista wa barabara no kui bururi-ini Kipchumba Murkomen uria thiko igiri hituku aranikire kandarathi ya waki wa reri ya SGR gatagati ga thirikari ya Kenya na ya China ni gwetemanio bunge-ini ya bururi na ya Senate.
The so-called contract turned out to be no contract at all. It is equally not clear what the CES intended to achieve and whether the decision to publicize this so-called contract was a decision of the cabinet or a product of personal excitement meant to satisfy personal ego and the desire to be seen on national TV.
Ni kumana na undu uyu Azimio ihinyiriirie atongoria aria mari thirikari-ini kurongoreria kurutira muingi wira uria meraniire hindi ya kambeni cia githurano kihituku na makiria gwithemana na kuhura kambeni itari muthia kana uguni kuri muingi.
We are calling out President Ruto and his administration. It is time for Ruto and his administration to govern. It is time to lead. But we fear they never will. We seem to be staring at a government that is government in name only. Too early into this administration, we are staring a leader and his team who have little to offer and are so consumed by pride and excitement to realize that they are off-rail.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.